Welcome back to Brooks's Hobby Shop channel, everybody. Yes, I am in my socks. Why? Because my shoes are upstairs and I did not want to put them on. We've got some options here. 1, 2, and 3. So comment down below and let me know what you guys want me to start on first. We're going to do a series that is called Learning Woodworking with Brooks's Hobby Shop until we build our first project. So tons of cool stuff in here, guys. Like I said, comment down below. Let me know which one of these books you want me to start with first.